Wakiriria kwa maruru ma murimu wa COVID-19 ithuro ria bururi gutumite gavana wa Kakamega Wycliffe Oparanya atacukie makinya maruru kuri aruti wira a thirikari ria atongoragia riri kaunti ino thiete na mbere na kwandikithia namba ya iguru ya arwaru a COVID-19.
We have checked and taken roll call. We have so far 20 patients admitted and 3 patients are in ICU. 7 patients are on oxygen, including 1 health worker, and 2 patients are on ventilators. And 2 of them are in the isolation ward at the General Hospital. And 6 more are on treatment at the Mumias Isolation Center.
Muingi wa kaunti 13 ire cirigite gwikirwo mikana meru ya kugiriria murimu ugithiaga na mbere na gutetia thirikari kumana na ikinya riayo hari kurekereria ateti matukane na muingi ihenya-ini ria kwendia ngumo yao. Thirikari ya Oparanya ni gathikire aruti wira ayo mukana wa kwa gwikinya wabici-ini nginyagia thikũ 14 ithire.
Now, as a government, we have also taken other measures. We have said for the next 14 days, non-essential staff will work from home. The chief officers will come up with a roster, a shift roster, so that they can plan their work well.
Kuringana na riboti ya ica ikuhi, andu 19 ni makuite kumana na murimu uyu Kakamega na angĩ karundo mararigitirwo thibitari-ini munene wa Kakamega. Wagi wa rĩera riganu thibitari-ini cia kaunti ni muhingo moragucia na thutha itanya ria kuhonokia mioyo. Oparanya akiuga thirikari ya kaunti ni igurite macini njeru cia gutithiriria guthondeka rĩera niguo kuhonokia mioyo.
The main challenge that we are facing now, and which is experienced countrywide, is insufficient oxygen.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.